Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Desi. I'm an entrepreneur and investor, and I have been for the last 55 years. And the reason that I created this channel is to be able to share ideas and strategies that have helped and served me very well to create wealth for myself and for my family in a common sense fashion. You know, there's so many people out there on the internet talking about all these wild and crazy investment opportunities and options and ways to bring in cash flow. Guys, let me tell you something. I'm 72 years old. I've seen so many different schemes for making things happen. But really, at the end of the day, the things that work best are the basics, right? Stick to the basics. And so I'm going to be sharing the basics here on my channel. And I hope that you guys will find this stuff enlightening and encouraging and inspiring. Okay, and I'll be sharing not only how to create wealth for your family, but also how to keep that wealth and how to transfer that wealth multi-generationally. Those are the three things that we'll be focusing on this channel. Now, from time to time, probably 2 or 3 times a week, I will be releasing new content and new information. So subscribe to the channel, and then, click the bell or whatever that little icon is so that you can be notified every time I release something new. I will go live as well from time to time, so keep an eye out for that as well, guys. So that's it. Welcome to the channel. Again, God bless you guys, and I wish you much success in your life.